Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at NeoMail. Now this is a brand new email marketing software or autoresponder, and it uses dedicated IP and spam trap technology to get high open rates, right? And the best part about this guy is that it doesn't require SMTP server to use this application. Basically just log into this application and you'd be able to create unlimited campaigns, collect unlimited emails, send unlimited leads, right? You can pretty much do anything with this application, alright? But before I'm going to show you the demo of this, guys, how this works, how you can easily create, use this application. Let me show you first my bonuses. That way, when you guys pick up NeoMail through the link down in the description of this video, you can also get access to an additional value. My bonus number one, I'm going to give you access, guys, to an email swipes creator software. Now, this is going to generate unlimited emails, and you can automatically plug in these emails into your NeoMail um, autoresponder. Alright, so that is my bonus number one. Bonus number two, guys, I'm gonna give you access to 30 days high converting storytelling emails, right? And you can use this and plug in this into your autoresponder. Alright. My bonus number three is I'm gonna give you access to Descript premium text to speech application. This will generate a human-like voices. Bonus number four, guys, is I'm gonna give you access to bonus page or landing page builder. Bonus number six, guys, I'm gonna give you access to CopyMate, and you can also get access to OTO number one and reseller license. Alright, CopyMate is gonna allow you guys to write emails, to write articles from your website, to your blogs, to your sales pages, right? And this is web application that uses artificial intelligence to write those articles. Bonus number seven, guys, is I'm gonna give you access to store ecom. You can also get access to OTO number one and reseller license, which means you can also resell this as your own product. Bonus number eight, guys, is I'm gonna give you access to CourseMate. Now, you can also get access to OTO number one and reseller license as well. Bonus number nine, guys, is Prime Web. OTO number one is included and reseller license is included as well. OTO Bonus number 10 is you can get access to an unlimited SEO application, right? And the last one, guys, is all vendor bonuses, alright? So those are all of my bonuses when you guys pick up NeoMail through the link down in the description of this video. And you can get access to all of the vendor bonuses, and you can see all those bonuses are below of this sales page, at the bottom part of the sales page right here. Right, so these are bonuses from the vendor right here. All right, now when you guys click that link down in the description of this video, which is the first link, this will take you to a sales page that looks something like this. All right, so this is the sales page of NeoMail. The headline says leverage cutting edge email marketing technology to achieve your desired open rates and click-through rate at zero monthly fee. All right, you don't need to pay for a monthly payment for this, because email marketing software like GetResponse, however, those are really expensive, especially when you're starting out and you don't have that money to purchase those um, expensive autoresponder, right? So yeah, let me take you to inside of the dashboard right here, how this works. So basically, guys, you can it uses credit, but you have this unlimited credit, so you don't need to in your front end purchase, you don't need to pay for credit again, so you can use unlimited credit for this. So basically you can create campaigns right here, right? And this is where you create campaigns, right? So you can you can use a regular HTML format or a plain text only. You can also do that. You can also do like an automation. Right, so if you wanted to automate your entire campaign, you can also do that. You can add in a step right here, so you can welcome your subscribers. I also use this automation trigger right here, and this is where you add like a list, contacts. You can also do segmentation, and you can also add a form right here if you wanted to add a form. And this is where you add you create a form right here. All right, so you have this, you can just basically name your form, select your email leads, and then you choose a template right here. Alright, so here are the template right here. So you'd basically save this. You'd basically create a template right here. So if you wanted to, use this, there's a lot of template that you can use right here. Alright, so it's a really great tool, guys, and it's really, great way alternative when it comes to, um, investing into one autoresponder, because just like I said, it doesn't require the SMTP servers to use this, and you can pretty much do anything with this, guys. You don't need to pay for like a monthly payment for an autoresponder. This can save you a lot of money. Alright, this is everything you need when it comes to getting or using an email marketing software. Alright. And one of the best part about this, guys, is that you can also connect your domain. You can also track your domain right here, and you can also, do a blacklisting right here, and integrations. You can add your website right here, and this is where you manage that connection. And if you guys wanted to connect this application or your email marketing software to other application, and then you can use this API endpoint right here. You basically connect this into any kind of application, and you'd be able to connect your email marketing software into a different kind of application, right? So yeah, it's a really useful, tool when it comes to, building your leads, guys, especially when you're starting out. This can really help you guys out. All right. So yeah, I think that would be in this video. If you have any questions about this, guys, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys would like to pick it up using my link down in the description of this video, you also get access to this amazing bonus right here that I custom crafted. That way you can also get an additional value when you guys purchase NeoMail through the link down in the description of this video. So watch this video right here, read the information of the sales page, and have a better understanding. This is something that can really help you guys out. All right, and you are protected by 30 days money back guarantee. Now, if you don't like the product, you can just refund your money, and you still be able to get access to all of my bonuses completely free of charge. Alright, guys, so yeah, thank you so much for watching this review, and I hope to see you guys in my next review video. Bye. Love you.